Now this I've been looking forward to. Now I'm going to make presents to everyone I love. But who shall I make one for today? Hi everybody! Now I'm gonna make a present for someone who gives a lot of gifts, but who rarely gets one. Santa Claus! Imagine that! Everyone forgets to give a present for Santa! And he badly needs a holiday too! Works way too much! And here's the idea, folks. A Santa house he can bring with him on his holiday. Look at this one! Nice, isn't it? Now Santa can play house with himself and the rest of the family.
Hello, everybody! Check my new house! Ho, 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 ho. Nice crib, Santa, my man!
Or we can send Santa on a holiday. How about the beach? Let's give Santa a suntan.
I just love my new Bermudas.
Maybe he'll bring Rudolph.
Let's jingle all the way, Santa.
Hey, a green donkey!
We're out of here.
Let's take a trip to New York City.
Well, Rudolph, let's slam down the double espresso and head for the Macy's.
It's the Statue of Liberty. Can you call us a cab? Sure.
Can you take us to the Macy's?
Yep, with this one in the bag, he won't get homesick. Here I have collected a bit of junk that we can use to build the house. This box, for example, is perfect. We'll need a cardboard box, some sheets of cardboard, stiff white paper, a ruler, tape, glue, some paints, brushes, knife and scissors, and some pencils, of course. Santa house in 3 steps. First we glue the box and cut off the top so it looks like a house. Then we stick on the roof, open the house and put in the bits. Finally we paint and decorate and put in the characters. Yeah, let's get going. First we glue down the flaps so that the box is completely sealed. Like this. So now we have a neat little building block. Next we draw on the house shape. I use a ruler so that I get it even on both sides. Then we cut along the lines all the way around and lift off the top. Now this top you can use for a lot of funny things. Then we add on the roof. Here's a strip of cardboard that is the same depth as the house. We fold it on the middle and glue it on. And I'll tape it down until it dries. Like this. Now we can trim off any excess cardboard. Next, we'll decorate the edges a bit with these strips of thin cardboard. I roughly cut them to size first, then glue them on. When they are dry, I trim them so that the house stays neat. There. Next step is to open the house. I measure and draw a large opening. Then carefully cut it out. Hello! Nobody home. Now we have a super cozy house that we can play with. But if we want that magical Santa house, we have to continue working. We need interior design, and that's a serious job. We have 4 tracks where we can put in our characters and backgrounds. They are cut through the walls on both sides. And for the characters to glide smoothly back and forth, we need these cardboard strips to make the floor tracks. But first, we draw the tracks on the sides. I measure carefully so that I can draw 2 parallel tracks on each side. Here is what they look like when they're finished. 3 on this side closer to the front of the house and 2 on this side closer to the back. This track also goes higher up, because this is where the big background goes in. But this is precision cutting, so here you need to get help from an adult. Now we can glue in the cardboard strips aligned with the wall tracks. Yes! Now we have 3 tracks for the movable bits to glide along. But before we continue with the inside of the house, I think we should paint and decorate the outside of the house. And we start with the chimney. Lots of glue. On it goes. Okay, let's paint. But first I need to stock up on some art materials. I'll have these 3. Thanks, Sophie. Merry Christmas. Ah, lovely red Christmas color. Gets me in the right spirit every time. Next color is black for the roof. And pink for the edges. And a darker red around the opening of our house. And here's one that is dry. I've drawn a little portrait of Santa that I'll frame up and hang over the opening. Now here I've cut 4 pieces that we'll need in order to play inside the house. Background, the characters in the middle, and foreground. Moves beautifully. Up on the side comes an extra character popping in. That's all we need to make a fun theater. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the different parts. A background shows where we are at. Hey, we're on the beach. The characters play out the story. Hey, nice short, Santa. Then we cut out the drawings and glue them to the cardboard bits. So now you can continue to draw as many characters as you like. For this present, I have drawn 3 different places.
Hey, check my cardboard box.
I have also cut out a base for the house and painted it white. When we glue it to the house, it stays steady on the table and we get a nice winter garden in front. With the little snow lady. Okay, our Santa house is finished with all the extra parts that Santa can play with. But it's no coincidence that I wanted to give Santa a house. After all, I'm a famous house artist. Let me show you some from my collection. Ooh. Hey. And if we add some lighting, it gets even better. Now I need to visit my old friend, the baker. Thanks, pal. Just what I needed. Time for wrapping, everybody. And I have a great idea right here. A suitcase that Santa can bring with him on his holiday. All we need is a box that is a bit bigger than the house, and then we make a solid handle to carry it with. We'll start with the handle. I make a few folds on a strip of cardboard and fold it into a neat little handle. Then we glue it to the small board. I'll add some tape until it's dry. There, dry. Next, I close up the box and make a lock out of cardboard circles that I cut in half. Before I glue them on. 1/2 on each flap of the box. When they are dry, I can stick on the stickers. Cool suitcases always have fancy stickers from fancy places around the world. Finally, the handle. Ah, lovely. Now we need a card, and here's Santa suntanning. Equal on both sides. Inside we can write who it is to and who it is from. I just drew Santa twice, asked if he was naughty or nice, and glued him together on top. Fold him out a bit, and he will brighten up any dinner table. Just need a little hole so that we can string him to the present. Right on the handle will do. Time to put in the Santa house. Ooh, perfect fit. And all the extra parts. Gorgeous. Put the rubber bands on the locks. And our present is finished. But how do I bring it to Santa? He lives on the North Pole. How about a magical power toss? 1, 2, 3, simsalabom! Say hi to Santa!
Santa's on a holiday. Why is Santa on a holiday? Is he just on overlay in a sunny, shiny summer bay? What will all the children say if Saint Nick dances the night away? Please get Santa on his sleigh just in time for Christmas Day. Picture yourself on Hawaii and meeting Santa passing by. Though he's happy saying hi, he's far too busy living life. What has happened to this guy? Someone has to clarify. Why is Santa on the water slide? Apparently he's lost his mind. Santa's on a holiday. Why is Santa on a holiday? Is he just on overlay in a sunny, shiny summer bay? What will all the children say if Saint Nick dances the night away? Please get Santa on his sleigh just in time for Christmas Day. Santa's covered up in clay from the spa treatment he's had all day. Once the mud's been washed away, you confront him by the shrimp buffet. This may be a bit risque, but I'm wondering, are you okay? Has someone led you astray? We're soon approaching Christmas Day.
I'm enjoying my food. Christmas is cancelled.
You just killed my mood. Santa's on a holiday. Why is Santa on a holiday? Is he just on overlay in a sunny, shiny summer bay? What will all the children say if Saint Nick dances the night away? Please get Santa on his sleigh just in time for Christmas Day. Santa's on a holiday. Why is Santa on a holiday? Is he just on overlay in a sunny, shiny summer bay? What will all the children say if Saint Nick dances the night away? Please get Santa on his sleigh just in time for Christmas Day. Santa's on a holiday. Why is Santa on a holiday? Is he just on overlay in a sunny, shiny summer bay? What will all the children say if Saint Nick dances the night away? Please get Santa on his sleigh just in time for Christmas Day.